Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a lecture 16 of a highway engineering, and in the previous module we have covered the module 1, that is introduction, and module 2, that is the design of a highway. Today we are going to start a new module, that is the traffic engineering. Okay, so we will see the topic bifurcation of this module. Okay, so this module is the traffic engineering, and the traffic engineering is subdivided into three parts. First one is the traffic characteristics, second one is the traffic studies and analysis, third is the traffic operation, control and devices. Okay, so this is the broad classification. Next we will see the classification of traffic characteristics. So the traffic characteristics is again divided into the three categories. First one is the road user characteristic, second is the vehicular characteristics, third is the braking test. Okay, in the road user characteristics we have the physical characteristics, mental, psychological and environmental characteristics. Okay, we will see in detail all of them. The vehicular characteristic. Okay, so the vehicular characteristic is again divided into the static and the dynamic characteristics. In the static we will see the dimension and the weight. In the dynamic we will study about the power and acceleration of the vehicle. Okay, so next we will see about the braking test. This is very important topic. Mark it as important because its question are generally asked in the colleges and in the competitive exams also. There are three type of a question in this braking test. We will see all of them in a detail. Okay, so next we will move to our second classification, that is the traffic studies and analysis. Okay, so this is the topic, traffic studies and analysis, and in this topic we will study the different subtopics, that is the traffic volume study, traffic speed study. In the traffic speed study we will see two types of a study, that is spot speed study, second one is the speed and delay study. Next we will see the origin and destination study. Then we will see the traffic capacity study and the accidental study, parking study, delay and queue analysis, and we will see all of them one by one, and we will see the questions of all the topic. Okay, next we will see our third classification of a traffic engineering, that is the traffic operation, control and the devices. Okay, so in this topic there are again subtopics. First we will see the signs, signals, design of a signal timing, intersection and the design of a rotary. Okay, so in this manner we will cover all the important topic of a traffic engineering. Okay, so we will start with our road user characteristic. So what are the road user characteristics? Road user characteristics are the physical, mental, psychological and environmental. We will understand how they play a role in the traffic engineering. We will start with the road user characteristic. Okay, in the road user characteristics there are terms, that is physical, mental, psychological and environmental, that plays a role in the traffic designing and the traffic engineering. Okay, so फिजिकल मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल विजन. ओके, विजन मीन्स कि आप किसी ड्राइवर होगा, कोई ऐसा ड्राइवर जिसका विजन अच्छा होगा तो उसे वो साइन बोर्ड क्या होगा, बहुत दूर से भी दिख जाएगा. लेकिन कोई सेकंड पर्सन होगा जिसकी विजन उतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी तो वो क्या होगा, उसे बहुत पास से उस साइन बोर्ड को देखना पड़ेगा. तो साइन बोर्ड की डिज़ाइनिंग और साइंस के डिज़ाइनिंग के लिए विजन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म है जिसे हम फिजिकल के अंडर स्टडी करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है हमारा मेंटल. सो मेंटल मीन्स इंटेलिजेंस एंड एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, मीन्स हमारे सोचने का तरीका, हमारे सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने का तरीका. फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर हम इस कर्व में मूव कर रहे हैं, ये एक व्हीकल है, अचानक से आपके सामने एक और व्हीकल आ जाती है, तो क्या होता है, हमारा इंटेलिजेंस और हमारा एक्सपीरियंस डिटरमाइन करता है कि हम इस सिचुएशन से कैसे बाहर आ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कोई ड्राइवर होगा जो यहाँ आकर कोलाइड कर जाएगा, अगर वो न्यू होगा, उसके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा, बट अगर उसके पास एक्सपीरियंस है इस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने के लिए या उसके पास इंटेलिजेंस है, तो वो क्या करेगा, इसको इस कंडीशन से बाहर आ जाएगा विदाउट दी collision with the another vehicle. Okay, so it depend upon the mental characteristics of a driver. Next we will see the psychological characteristics. What do you mean by psychological characteristics? It means the emotions. For example, emotions you means, that is if you are angry and if you are if you are happy, it will also affect your driving tendency. Okay, next term is the environmental. So what is environmental? It depends upon the weather of that area or the climate, you can say, in which there are terms like rain, storms. Okay, so these are the terms that comes under the road user characteristic. Next we will see for the vehicular characteristics. So in the vehicular characteristics, we will see first for the static. In the static, there are dimension and weight. So we will see all the standard dimension and the weight. Okay, so the maximum width of vehicle as per IRC is 2.44 meter. Remember, this is 2.44 meter. Next, the maximum height of vehicle for a single decker bus, means for single decker bus the maximum height of vehicle is 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. But for double decker bus, its height is 4.75 meter. Next, we will see the maximum length of a vehicle. So the maximum length of vehicle is 18 meter. The maximum weight of vehicle is 52.2 tons. Okay, and the standard axle load weight is 8200 kg. Means 8200 kg. So in the dynamic characteristics, there are power and acceleration, and the power and acceleration depend upon the vehicle. Okay, so we don't need to study that much in this topic. So this is all about today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will see the braking test, and we will see all the type of a question of a braking test. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to our channel. The PDF will be available in the description box. You can download it from there. Thank you.